What's up, guys? I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Kayden, and this is Buzz.
And today we are gonna do adding too much ingredients to slime.
Into slime.
Into slime.
Yeah.
So we have pre-made slime already made, so we don't have to make it on camera, right? So, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick out of the bowl, and whatever ingredient we get, we have to put a lot of it into slime. So in the bowl we have like shaving cream, glitter, lotion, floral foam, paint, and foam balls. So, yeah,
We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see
who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No!
You always do paper.
Okay.
I got
Glitter! Guys, I got glitter. Floral foam! Sorry, I get really.
Okay, so you got your floral foam.
Which, guys, we have a knife, so Aubrey could do some satisfying bits with you. Yes.
Satisfying slime with Aubrey.
Okay, so I have my block.
Okay, like maybe say how much you would add.
I have never added.
You probably
floral
only add
foam.
like this much.
Yeah, like
but
a
she's gonna
quarter
add the
of it.
whole entire thing.
Or what I'm thinking is cutting this into bits.
Cut it
and
into
then
bits.
putting it into the slime.
It'd be so much better to cut it into bits.
Okay, you guys. So I would probably only add like the tiniest bit of glitter because I dislike glitter a lot.
That's probably.
Doesn't smell good. I smell it. It's gross. This is probably how much glitter I probably add, and so now we're just gonna mix it in. No messes, please.
That
Oh,
does not
great! It's already on
sound
the
good.
table. Okay, I just cut it all. Now I'm
You
gonna.
guys, the reason why we never use glitter in our videos is because we all don't really like glitter.
Yeah. It's just a lot.
It's like it has fallout and everything. So this slime is gonna be blue. Because we decided on a blue slime.
I'm gonna make it pretty.
Ah, glitter is all over me now.
You're fine.
You guys, look at it. It's like marble right now.
How satisfying is that? I mean, the noise is not that nice, but it's getting all over you. I know it is.
So you guys, this is how much glitter I'd probably add in a normal slime.
I'm gonna do like a stacking amount, like that, and then I'm
Go
gonna
ahead.
add all these in.
So now I gotta add even more than that. So
I hope this makes it good texture. Like I've seen videos on
Like
it,
that.
so
is that enough glitter for me to add?
add the whole thing. I don't want to add the whole. Yeah, add the whole thing.
Okay, well I'm adding it in little bits of a time. Oh, so really? This glitter
This is very
pretty.
pretty, actually. I really like this. Look at this.
I thought you were gonna add like little bits at a time.
Nope.
You're just going all in.
Yep. Ah! It's adding too much ingredients. You just have to add a lot.
Yeah,
and
well
just
this glitter
go
is
for
making
it.
my slime so tough.
It is.
Yes.
Well, now you know what glitter does to slime and you add too much of it.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna go to where I need to go today and have glitter all over me.
Okay, I think that's probably good for now. Yeah, I think that's probably good. Okay.
Okay, guys, let's just tune into Aubrey's thing. Don't pay attention to me. Oh. So concerned as to how this is gonna work for you.
It's taking a long time to mix.
You guys, this made my slime like really tough.
Well,
I don't know if I'm gonna add any more because look, it's already falling out. Well, no, it's not actually. I feel like it's like the perfect amount. So I think I'm just gonna take it off the table right now.
it's a mess. Gross.
It is a mess. So I'm gonna add like maybe a little bit more glitter into this and hope that it'll look better, good. Let's see. You guys, literally, this is like decreasing in size.
Guys, it literally just soaked up the slime.
Well, at least it was satisfying.
Yeah, at least it was. It's just soaked up.
Guys, look at this. My arms hurt.
Like,
Oh,
it's
wow.
satisfying. It's just.
Okay, back. Okay, so I just added too much floral foam in slime. Yeah, just like I added too much glitter into mine.
It's just.
Okay, so feel that. Feel how like not stretchy that is.
Oh my
gosh, what the heck happened? Hold on. My gosh. I know, that's a lot.
It's gonna go back in here.
Okay. So now, for round 2. Round 2.
My turn. Yes, shaving cream! Foam balls!
Yes.
What color do you want?
Both of them.
Okay.
Like, they're not the little baby ones, so I'm actually kind of happy about that, because I don't like the little baby ones.
So you guys, now let's see how stretchy this slime is. It's stretchier than the glitter one.
Right.
So let's see what happens when I actually do it.
So you guys, this is my shaving cream. This is how much I probably normally add into a slime. Excuse me. The one thing I don't like about shaving cream is that it gets everywhere.
It's okay.
So this is what we're doing. We're gonna make a match.
Okay, let's see.
That's probably how much, or no, I'd probably add more, but let me just mix this in first. Oh, that made a mess.
I'm gonna try adding 2 bags of these in here.
So I'd probably add, stop bumping me. Kayden, you just made a huge mess. I probably will add that much into slime. So, ooh, it's gonna, ew, what are you doing in there? Okay guys, so I just added the amount that I'd probably add, but now I'm gonna add a little abundance. So let's make a little cake on the table. I hope this doesn't like come out like. And worst comes to worst, I can just. This is mine right now. You guys, this doesn't even feel like slime. This feels like shaving cream. Stay in. Like it's not even sticking anymore to each other. Mine's not like even like stretching. It's like. We need paper towels. Okay. I'm almost done with this. How's it feel right now? It feels nice. It's just kind of tough. But I don't know. So you guys, this is my shaving cream slime. There's probably like tripled in size. Oh my gosh. So right now I'm gonna add a little more. There's a hair in it. Ugh. I think this is all it could take. I'm making Kayden's face. Sorry, Kayden. Okay, I'm done with one bag. I am so surprised as to this isn't melting. This is still very stretchy. Ugh. Like, I think I should add more. Okay, I think I'm almost to the full capacity of this. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream. Guys, I think this is all I could add. Shaving cream's nice, but look at this, guys. I am super happy with how this slime turned out. Like, look at this. It doesn't even feel like slime anymore.
Can I touch it?
No. Look at it, it's still stretchy. It's still everything that it needs.
I almost just broke my cup.
Guys, look at it. It's huge. Ew, it comes on my hands.
Like, oh my gosh, I love this.
Okay, now let's put this in the cup.
It's not going back in. It's not going back in!
It's okay.
Just a little piece of floral foam.
Okay, guys, ready?
Okay.
Last one. I got lotion.
And that must mean I got paint.
I got paint. It's probably gonna melt my slime.
For you. Not for you. Paint for you. Let's see.
I wonder what the overabundance of lotion is gonna do to my slime.
I hope that it doesn't do bad stuff to it.
So you guys, this is my slime. It's tiny. And this is the lotion. This is how much lotion I'd probably add. Like that much. How much paint would you probably add?
I'm gonna have to take
Like that much. That's how much paint Aubrie would most likely add.
Yeah, but since I have to add a lot, I'll add that much.
Don't run.
I'm gonna get paint on my hands. And we have a youth group tonight. So
yeah, guys, my slime melted. I'm scared.
oh, look how pretty that is.
Aubrie, can I please have the activator? Your hands are blue.
Yeah, I know. I hope they come off.
They probably won't.
Okay, let's add more. Oh my gosh, look what it's doing. It's making it all stringy. Let's see this.
So you guys, that lotion like melted my slime.
It kind of colored it actually.
It just looks like lotion.
But actually,
Well, now it's like really, really stretchy. So you guys, lotion, when you add a lot, it'll melt your slime because that's exactly
I think that mine could still take a little more.
it did to me.
I need some color in her slime.
Yeah, mine are white except for this one. This one's blue.
I hope this paint comes off. Then I'll cry.
This feels so rubbery.
No, I don't want to touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
Oh, I need to get this all off.
So now, guys, we're gonna add more lotion. Let's add like that much off.
There. Okay. I added all the bottle of paint accidentally. Sorry.
My arms hurt so bad right now.
Dude, this is my slime right now.
Okay. So now I think we're gonna add all of our slimes together.
Okay.
So we have my glitter one. I hate this one.
I
It feels
have
like
my-
glitter.
I have my
Ball one.
one.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mix this one in first to this.
This is like Daiso Play, my foam ball one. Oh my gosh. This is like so hard to mix.
Feel like this up. So I feel like this lotion one's soft in this one.
Can't do this. Pain. Pain.
So good.
Okay.
Look at that, you guys. But look at how much glitter's in there. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna get the marshmallow. Guys, it doesn't even feel like anything. All it feels like is a cloud. Don't touch me.
I
with
just
your
dyed
gun.
it with blue again.
Okay.
This is better, I think. I think it's just really hard. Okay, so I mixed mine.
Where's your fluorofoam one at?
It's dead. It's not gonna mix into this. But this is a really pretty slime, actually. I actually really enjoy it. It's actually like our purple slime, Kayden. With blue.
It is?
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab it real quick.
No, you're not. You're staying here.
Why? Because then it could be like.
Oh, guys. Okay, guys, so that was our adding too many ingredients into slime challenge. So if you guys like
I totally recommend that you try this at home because it's so much fun. But get your parents' permission first before you do it because
Right.
it makes a mess.
So, if you guys like this video,
Please like and subscribe down below. And also go to our Instagram, link down below. Do it.
Pause this video right now and do it.
Go to Instagram or ask your parents to go to Instagram and comment on our latest post what you thought of our slides and which one was better. If you like Aubrey's better or mine better. So thank you guys for watching. Good